Discover how a seemingly simple system of equations hides two surprising real solutions and why solving it reveals the power of substitution and quadratic analysis. In this video, we solve the system of two equations into real numbers x minus y equals 20 and x multiplied by y equals 44. We begin by isolating x in the first equation. From x minus y equals 20, we obtain x equals 20 plus y. Substituting this expression into the second equation x multiplied by y equals 44, we get 20 plus y multiplied by y equals 44. Expanding gives y raised to the power of 2 plus 20 multiplied by y equals 44. This implies that y raised to the power of 2 plus 20 multiplied by y minus 44 equals 0. To determine the real values of y, we compute the reduced discriminant, delta prime, defined as equal to b prime raised to the power of 2 minus a multiplied by c, where b prime equals b divided by 2, and b is the linear coefficient which is equal to 20 and a is the quadratic coefficient which is equal to 1, and c is the constant term which is equal to minus 44. Hence, delta prime equals 10 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 multiplied by negative 44, and this equals 144. Now the fact that the reduced discriminant delta prime is strictly positive implies that our quadratic equation admits two solutions. y1 equals negative 10 plus the square root of delta prime, all divided by 1, which gives 2. And y2 equals negative 10 minus the square root of delta prime, all divided by 1, which gives negative 22. Substituting each value of y into the equation x minus y equals 20, we obtain x1 equals 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22. And x2 equals 20 plus negative 22, which is equal to negative 2. Thus, the solutions to our system are the ordered pairs x1 and y1, which equals 22 and 2, and x2 and y2, which equals negative 2 and negative 22. By combining substitution and quadratic analysis, we successfully solved a system that delivers two valid and meaningful solutions. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this lesson with anyone learning algebra. More step-by-step problem solutions are coming soon. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.